Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Meta Ads retargeting using Shopify audiences, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the left-hand menu, click on Marketing. Next, select Campaigns. Now, click on Create Campaign. From the available options, select Retargeting. Choose Meta Ads from the list of platforms. You will need to connect your Meta account if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts to link your Meta account to Shopify. After connecting, you will see options to create different audience segments. Select the audience you want to target for retargeting. You can choose from existing customer data or website visitors. Specify the duration for which visitors will be retarget. This could range from a few days to a month, depending on your strategy. Next, set your budget for the retargeting campaign. Make sure to align your budget with your marketing goals. After setting the budget, create your ad creative. This is where you can showcase products or services that visitors viewed but didn't purchase. Use clear calls to action to encourage conversions. Once your ad is designed, review all configurations. Ensure everything aligns with your marketing objectives. Click on Launch Campaign to activate your retargeting ads. Now, monitor the performance of your campaign through the Meta Ads Manager. Keep an eye on key metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions. Adjust your strategy as needed to optimize performance. Remember to regularly update your audience segments based on new data. This ensures your retargeting stays relevant and effective. With these steps, you will successfully set up Meta Ads retargeting using Shopify audiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.